Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a frequently asked question: how to block someone on Instagram. Whether you're looking to limit interactions with certain users or just want to take control of your online experience, blocking someone can provide peace of mind. It's a simple process, and I'm here to walk you through the updated steps to do it effectively. First things first, grab your Android device and open the Instagram app. Look for the app icon and tap to launch it. Once you're in, you'll need to go to the profile of the person you want to block. You can find them by either searching for their username in the search bar or by tapping their name from your feed or messages. Now that you're on their profile, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice 3 dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap those dots. A menu will appear, giving you options for what you can do next. From that menu, select Block. The last step is crucial. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap Block once again to finalize it. And just like that, you've successfully blocked the user. This action will prevent them from viewing your profile, your posts, or interacting with you in any way. Remember, you can always unblock them later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.